Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. And please do leave a comment and give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. It does help me out. And if you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. All kinds of unboxings, giveaways, hauls, always great fun time here. Always great fun time. Always a great and fun time here. So, as you can see from my description, we will be unboxing today the December 2018 My Paper box. And this is their grand box. I did unbox their mini subscription in November, so last month, and or actually this month because it is still November. But this I'm doing the grand, which is $28. Their mini is $10, and they are on Cratejoy, so I will make sure that I put a link down below for you guys to get you to their Cratejoy site. And the grand it says it's a full-size box of personalized stationery products, so 6 or more items, and you guys, they always have the cutest stuff. Their mini I know is 10, and you get like 3 notepads. Like I said, I did a video for that in November, and it was amazing. I loved all of those products, and I have actually unboxed their grand before as well, and loved all of those items. So I am super excited to see what December has, and yeah, so we're gonna dive in. This was very kindly sent to me for review, so we are gonna go ahead and we are going to open it up and take a look and see what we have for December. Their stuff is always so cute, so I'm actually really excited to see, you know, with the holidays and stuff, what we will be having. So, oh, this is cute. So when we open it, oh, this is so cute. So right here it says, "Good things happen to people named Nikki." That is so cute. So each box will be personalized. And then right here we have, these actually look like, might be stickers. One says, "You are my favorite human." Yes, you are beautiful. That is always positive. And remember, you are amazing. Those are great. So let's peel back the tissue paper and take a look. So right here it says, "Hello, Nikki," in a card. We'll look at that in just a second. This is what it looks like when we open it. There is a big notepad on top, so we'll kind of right there. So it is definitely full. So I will make sure to put a link down below to their Cratejoy site if you would like to sign up. I think that it is such a great subscription. The art of writing, you know, sending cards and things like that has gone away, I really think. And personalized stuff is just such a great way to, you know, have your notepads, because they're included sometimes, and then personalized cards and things. I just think it's so great, and it kind of reminds you to, hey, take a moment, slow down, send a card, like actually write it out and send a card to somebody. I love getting things in the mail, obviously, that's why I have so many subscriptions, but getting a card in the mail from someone that just says, "Hey, I was thinking of you," or, you know, "Happy holidays," things like that. It's just fabulous. So this says, "Hello, Nikki. After listening to your valuable feedback, we came up with new ways to make your box even better. This month we have a variety of items that could be used for the upcoming holiday season or anytime. We also have some fun generic items ready for you to personally sign and send. Thank you for growing with us." So I thought that's very sweet. So the first item on top is a large notepad. It says, "Just a note from Nikki." And that's super cute. And even if you want to use this, you know, to jot down a grocery list or whatever you need to write down, you can do. What do we have here? Oh, y'all, these are cute. These are so cute. Okay, so these are gift tags. And like one says, surprise, surprise, surprise. Just for you. This one is is just like a very pretty pattern. And on the back of all of them say love Nikki or from Nikki. Let me show you. So that is cute. And then we have 3 more. One says made with love. And it on the back just says made for, made by. So that's kind of like a, you know, kind of like generic what they were saying in their description. And it says, I hate presents, said no one ever. That is cute. And also, again, a blank to and from. And then happy, happy, happy. And then to and from. So that is cute. So we have 3 personalized already, and then 3 that really kind of could be used for any occasion, not just the holiday season. So let's see, what do we have next? We have Nikki's December planner, and this is super cute. Oh, I like this, y'all. Okay, so it's literally starting December 1st, and it goes all the way through the end of the month, and it has to do today, notes, and then it literally has from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. you can write down things, and then it has right here a checklist. So if you have tasks you want to do, you can check them off. That is awesome, and it's literally every day through December, and it's compact enough you can throw this right in your purse. You know, you keep track with your doctor's appointments, school functions, holiday events. This is awesome. I like that. And then I always love when they send these. These are so cute. It says Nikki's December. So it's a little pop-up, and both sides are the same. So that is adorable. And what are you? It says, Nikki, be as unique as a snowflake. Embrace all your dimensions. So here's another notepad. I love it. Love it. Love it. And then here it looks like we have a box of thank you cards. Let's see. And they do always include envelopes. So yes, it looks like we have thank you cards and envelopes in here. So I'm going to pull 1 or 2 of these thank you cards out to just take a look. So we have that same pretty pattern here. It says thank you, and it is blank inside. Here we have another one. Thank you. So these are blank inside, which is great. These would actually be really awesome, you know, and like this next one. Some of these do kind of have a holiday theme, but then some have, you know, anytime really. So that's something great. Like when I send in like Christopher's teacher's Christmas present before their winter break, I can put in a thank you card to her, you know, for being a great teacher, or just, you know, we need to get better about sending thank you cards. So it looks like we have one more thing here. And this looks like cards with envelopes. It does have my address already on there, so we're going to kind of cover that up. It has my name and my address. So those envelopes are already kind of pre-filled out. But let's take a look here at one of the cards. Well, we'll take a look at 2. These do look like these like may all be Christmas cards. It says Merry Everything and Happy Always. That is really cute. And it says Love Nikki on the inside. So there's one that says Happy, Happy, Happy. Love Nikki. And Christmas, the only time of year you can sit in front of a dead tree and eat candy out of socks. That is so funny. And again, it has the personalization. So these appear to all be holiday cards. Don't blame the holidays, you were fat in August. So these are super cute. And again, it is signed. Wow, there's quite a few in here, y'all. Wishing you lots of love, joy, and happiness. All of them do have Love Nikki on the inside. So we have season's greetings. I'm not gonna have to go buy any Christmas cards this year. Oh, this is cute. Meowie Christmas. How cute is that? Kitty, that made me think of you. So if you're watching this, warmest greetings and best wishes for the new year. We'll have to count. It's a really cute elf. And then this one says Happy New Year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is awesome. And like I said, they do have all of the envelopes in here already printed with the return address. So that is awesome. I think this was a really great box, you guys. I mean, we got the gift tags, some are personalized, and then some, like I said, kind of look like you could use them more year round, which is awesome. We got amazing, cute, and adorable, funny Christmas or holiday cards. So I love that. The thank you cards are amazing. Trying to get all these back in this little box, keep everything nice and tidy. I love the little pop-up calendar that seems to always be in the grand box every month, and I really like those. All right, so those are back in there, and we have the thank you cards, and then we had the 2 different notepads, which, oh, that one's upside down. So that's great. I love how big this one is. You can write a lot on there. And like I said, the pop-up calendar, which is adorable. The gift tags. I really, really like this planner. I like that it's literally day by day for the entire month, hour by hour. You could do your checklist. So I really like that. Like I said, it's small enough you can pop it in your purse. And then we have these stickers. I think these are just really great and positive and, you know, great messages that you could send to someone. So I absolutely love the December My Paper Box. I think it is fabulous as always. And like I said, this is $28, and they do have the mini subscription for $10. And I will make sure to put the link down below for their site through Cratejoy, and definitely get signed up. I mean, this right here alone, just when you open the box, good things happen to people named. I mean, it's great. I really like this subscription. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, all the information will be down below, as well as, like I said, the link. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And I will see you guys with the next video. Have a fabulous day.